Governor Nyaribo, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for everything that you've done. The moment that we discovered that this trip was possible, when the national government reached out, the first thing I thought about was I can't come to Kenya without not coming to Nyamira, Nyombaini. So thank you for calling me all. Whatever you do, especially our young people, what you're doing right now will reflect the future life that you're looking for. So my young people, especially my young ladies. Ladies, where are you? No more. Yes. The girl child. I'm so passionate about the girl child. Because today, most of you, if you don't know our family story, you got Tata, Mama, watch America, Tata, and my mom. They fought the immigration system for 11 long years. 11 years, but it's only by the grace of God that our case was overturned. He didn't give up. He knew that he needed to fight for his family. And Father, this moment, I honor you. Amen. This moment is for you and Mom and all of the sacrifices, all of the tears, everything that you've done to fight for this family. I thank you and I honor you. I hope you're proud.